Hello friends, welcome to Macnotech YouTube channel. Friends, our today's topic is exact straight line generating mechanism. So this is a basic concept for exact straight line generating mechanism. So there are so many applications in which we need a straight line as a output. So for getting that straight line we need some mechanism. This mechanism is called the straight line mechanism. Now we can get this straight line mechanism by two way. First one is only turning pair are used, and second one is one sliding pair is used. Now by using this we will see in the next video, but in this video what is the concept that we need to see. So here from this figure you can say that OP is the diameter of this circle, then there is one chord say OA, और हम बोल सकते हैं रस्सी या तो कुछ भी आप ले लो स्ट्रिंग. सो OA by we can say OA be the any chord, and there is an extension of OA up to the point B. So here what is the condition? OA and OB should be constant. OA into OB should be the constant. Now let us see how it can be a constant. That is our need. So here you can see we have to consider a triangle. So first triangle is OAP. So here first triangle is OA and P. So this is a 90 degree. Okay, so OAP. Then another triangle is OBQ. That means OBQ. So this is another triangle, and this two triangle is similar. Let me tell you how it is similar. So here OA we can say is equal to OQ. Okay, OA is equal to OQ, then AP is equal to we can say BQ, and OP is equal to we can say OB, right? So here OA upon OP, OA upon OP, that means OA upon OP is equal to we can say OQ upon OB. Okay, because here this is the same OA is same as OQ and OP is same as OB. Okay, so we can write these things by this two triangle. Okay, by this two triangle. So OA into OB. Now this OB come to here and this OP come to here. So OP into OQ is equal to OA into OB, and again OP comes to down. Okay, then OQ is equal to OQ. Okay, OQ is equal to OA into OB upon OP. Okay, but OP is equal to, it is the diameter, so it is constant. Now we must say that OA into OB is equal to constant, then and then we can find OQ. If we have to find the OQ distance, then we need to know OA into OB, and it should be the constant. So we can say that OA into OB, okay, so OA into OB is equal to constant, and by this way we can say that, okay, by this way we can say that if OA into OB is constant, then this BQ line, the line generated by the point B is straight line, okay, along the BQ. So this is a basic concept for straight line, exact straight line generating mechanism. In next lecture, in next video, we will see the exact straight line generating mechanism like Poisson mechanism, and then after we will see the approximate straight line generating mechanism. So friends, hope you like it, and if you like it then press the like button, then share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.